How to add text on top of columns in Wix Studio. So I have in here this column, and this column has two columns right there. If you want to add a text, head over and click onto this plus icon in order to add an element. Now from in here, just go to the text option and then choose in here the text style that you want to add. For example, I'll choose in here this heading 1, and then I'll just head over and then drop it. As you can see, once I'm hovering, we have in here an option to attach this text into our actual column. So for example, let's attach it right around here. Now, as you can see, the column automatically adjusts in order to cater to our text. So you can see my text right now because it's color black. So let's head over and then add it back. Let's make it color white by going to the inspector and choosing the color from there. And as you can see, we have in here this. So let's now edit what the text says. So for this, you can just click onto this edit text option and then put in here cats. And it will adjust based on that. And you can also head over and then just adjust the paragraph that we have right here. You can just put it down from there as well. So just put it and then just drag it down and it will actually be much more visible to the eye. So that's how you add a text on top of columns in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.